The top 5 best Singer sewing machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Quantum Stylist is capable of producing 850 stitches per minute, facilitating the quick completion of sewing projects. Additionally, the automatic needle threader speeds up the tedious task of threading the machine's needle. Within seconds, users can have the entire machine automatically threaded from the spool to the eye of the needle. This feature eliminates the frustration and eye strain associated with threading the needle by hand. To facilitate a broad range of creative crafts and sewing projects, the Quantum Stylist 9960 includes a sizable array. Recommendation number 2. Singer Start 1304 Sewing Machine. The simplified operational procedures of this mechanical sewing machine make it ideal for casual hobbyists and beginning sewers. Older children and teens might use this machine to launch a lifelong fascination with the arts of sewing, quilting, and crafting. The Singer Start 1304 offers basic features with enough variable options to facilitate creativity and versatility in sewing projects. A manual dial on the front of the machine displays 6 clearly marked stitch choices. Recommendation number 3. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Sew through denim, canvas, and heavy wool fabrics with the Singer 4423 machine. It boasts a motor that is 60% more powerful than standard sewing machine motors, making this model a workhorse for multiple sewing projects. Additionally, both the heavy-duty metal frame and the stainless steel bedplate assure stability in operation along with long-wearing durability. Yet, this machine also handles lightweight, sheer materials. The smooth, stainless steel bed plate along with the adjustable pressure for the presser foot allows sheer fabrics to glide across the bed surface without Recommendation number 4. Singer Stitch Quick Plus Handheld Mending Machine. Save time and effort when you use this mini, handheld, cordless mending machine. With the Singer Stitch Quick Plus, there's no need to set up a full-size sewing machine when it's time to make rapid repairs on garments and home decor items. Use it to quickly hem a pair of pants, a skirt, or household curtains. Grab this handheld tool when it's time to mend a ripped seam in a hurry. Weighing only 1.45 pounds, the diminutive machine is easy to store and to transport. Take it along wherever it might be necessary to complete a minor sewing task. It requires only 4 AA batteries. Recommendation number 5. Singer Confidence 7469Q Computerized Quilting and Sewing Machine. Many quilters, crafters, and avid sewists appreciate the push-button operating ease of a computerized sewing machine. When it comes to quilting, the Singer Confidence 7469Q does not disappoint. Several features of this machine make quilting easier and more enjoyable, yielding creatively inspiring results. Darting and embroidery foot for stippling, even feed or walking foot for smooth fabric flow, open toe foot for improved visibility, 0.25-inch foot for piecing together quilting blocks,